Good morning. Today is Friday, 9:51 a.m. and I'm heading out to do my lashes today kasi in preparation for my birthday celebration tomorrow. Ayan, birthday na po natin tomorrow. At I'm really getting old. But as they say, age is just a number, young is an attitude. Kaya yun yung pinanghahawakan ko. But yung sa akin naman kasi talaga, totoo naman yun, age is just a number, young is an attitude, and yung important naman kasi talaga is to age gracefully, but you will have to make an effort to take good care of yourself para naman, you age gracefully nga naman, di ba? So, yun, that's why I'm heading out to do my lash extension. Usually, I go to Vivogue dun sa Mira branch nila. That's the main branch of Vivogue. But unfortunately, it's closed right now. So, I'm heading to a different branch. This will be my first time. I'm gonna head to Vivogue Banilad. Yeah. Finally done with our lashes, as you can see. Yan, di ba? Nakaka-fresh, nakakaganda talaga yung lash extension. Kaya naman nagpa-lash extension ako for my birthday tomorrow. Para blooming tayo tingnan bukas, di ba? Kahit kulang sa tulog. Yan. Thank you nga pala, May of Vivogue Banilad for putting up a nice lash for me. Yan. Later naman, I'm gonna do my hair kasi nga may white hair na tayo dito. But I'm not gonna have a flashy color, just like a dark chestnut brown lang.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right, but it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous, but 'cause they'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making up her own rules, and I'm a
I just got home from dinner kasi after I had my hair colored, we went straight to the massage and then dinner. And ngayon ko lang talaga masasabi about my hair. I feel like it's too light for my liking, but it's really nice. Don't get me wrong, mga chinko, it's nice, it's really nice, but I wanted something really very discreet sana. But well, I guess I'll have to live with this one for the moment. Well, I guess I have to live with this hair color for a little bit. Then perhaps later on I'm gonna darken it. I don't know. We will see. Kasi yung ayaw ko talaga sa light hair like this one. Kasi pag nag-grow na siya, it's so black and it looks very untidy for me. Kaya I don't like the lighter shade. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna have a birthday with a light hair. I just don't know if yung extension babagay pa dito. Good morning! Today is my birthday, kaya ngayon we're getting ready for my birthday celebration. We're gonna have lunch at Barcina in NU Star. Yeah, we're gonna go Spanish. So, get ready with me ngayon. Let's do, paano ko ba ito lalagay? So, as you can see, hindi ko na binasa yung hair ko kasi to save time na rin. So, I'm gonna use this product right here. It's a Japanese hydrating lotion. So, I'm not using any toner as of the moment because medyo dry yung skin natin and nagpipil siya. So, just gonna do this hydrating lotion. And let's just let it absorb to the skin. Pagkatapos, before we put the sunblock, it's very important to put sunblock. This is the sunblock I'm using right now. Nakaubos na tayo ng mga 3 ganito. I love it because it's not greasy. I don't know if you've seen it in my other vlog. I showed this same sunblock. And this is from COSRX Aloe Soothing Sun Cream SPF 50. Ganito talaga ako maglagay ng sunblock para even yung pagkalagat. There. Ayan, so I'm gonna skip for the other stuff kasi we're running out of time. My lunch is set at 11 a.m. so I'll see you later. We're all set and this is the final look. Biglang humaba yung hair, no? Because I put some hair extension, para naman to add volume, di ba? Para pala-fairy yung look natin today. This is my dress. I got it from Shopee. Napakamura lang ito. I'm gonna put the link down below in the description box in case gusto niyo rin tong peg na to na parang princess. Ayan. So, we're heading out to Ayala Central Block to buy some cake. Then we go straight to the Barcena. You guys like my look? Ayan. Sa likod, ganyan siya. Yung hair ko, yung... So, let's go! My close friend also surprised me today. That's why I wasn't able to take a video. Diba, Shob?
Happy birthday!
Thank you! Shob, saan ni Shob? Doon ako, Shob! Shob eh! Ayan ni... Hi, Jan! Ayan, mga outfits kay ni, Chika, Shob, ay kauho na nila, Shob. Yung mga tabian na, Shob.
Document file. This Wapas about the Charlotte.
Bitaw, ngit-ngit diha ma'am yang ikaw. Sa
narcissist na kay gustanan. Nagpupuhupo. Biduhi ko na nagpupuhupo. Ayaw ko pinumahan. Ayaw ko dyan.
You see, mga chiko, napaka-supportive ng aking mga friendship. At lahat sila naging photographer ko. How young are you? I'm 18 years old, Char. O, walay ko kontra. That's it. Basta to, komamos.
So the money's already this way. You know, when I get
Late, sorry, late. Masaya ko na siya black.
Oh, later.
Ang bongga ng birthday ko ngayon kasi ang dami kong gift. Look at my gift. Oh, diba? Wow. Look at that. Ma, what can you say? Kasi may kasulti. Nawala imo calamares?
Nilapad kita.
Sa
Nilapad. Himbal-hinday.
balhin? Yeah, ikaw?
Ay, kabaka sa birthday.
Thank you. Wapa ko no per tanawa o gipuhalan ang ng birthday. Tanawa usa ka sexy. I'm also celebrating with my nephew. Is cute. Pareha sila na. Oh, di ba? Lahi talaga kami ng magaganda. It runs in the blood. Napaka-fab ng mga friends ko. Look at that. Siya yung sponsor ng bouquet ko. Oh. Ito, siya yung sponsor. If you've seen my old vlog, siya po yung sponsor ng malaki kong ref. Ayan.
Awesome.
Oh. If you've seen my old vlog sa old place ko, you see the big ref there, di ba? Siya ang nag-sponsor nun. Parating
That's how
starring.
much I love you.
Yes. I love you.
Basta tanan ikaw dito akong nahuna-una.
Oo, ako Jud, of all. Wala yung labot yung mga cousin, kaya ako'y nauna. Di kaya, wala masaya mo-accept sa ref, eh, dako man. Ipakita mo yung outfit mo, girl. Ano ba yan? There. Oh, di ba? Oh, wow. Oh, di ba? Thank you! My friend Janet here has an idea na yung mga guests ko daw will give me a message. One by one, magme-message. What's your message to me?
Ay, mama, una.
Mama, ha? Sige, si mama na lang una. Ma, what's your message to me, ma?
Be strong.
Love you, ma. Exempted diri usa. Ikaw.
More blessings, Mom. Happiness, or pure joy. You deserve all of it. Love you.
Love you too. Si Ate Mian.
Hindi ko pwede
Yeah, what's your message? Ha?
My
What's your
wishes to you, Ate Ria. Stay gorgeous as always. And then more birthdays to come. Happy birthday. I love you.
Love you too, te. Yes, si Janice.
Best birthday, Ma'am Yang. Stay pretty and stay healthy as always.
Nice. Ikaw, Shob.
Huh?
What's your message to me?
Happy birthday, Ching. Stay 20s. Stay young.
Hi, Achi. Hi, Achi. Stay pretty. And yeah, I hope you don't change. Stay the way you are. Because I like the way you are. Sa 12 years tanggap ko, kay bro
Same.
kambal ko.
Yeah, we're always, we're not really blood related, but most of the people would actually say na magkapatid kami.
Yeah.
Tapos ako yung younger, char. Hindi, joke lang.
Yeah. I want to say something but I forgot it lang.
What? Sige. Sige, isipin mo mabuti.
Oh my God.
Sige.
Hindi. Yeah, we're both the same, strong, independent woman, pero weak sa boys.
Hoy!
Magmahal. Pero ganun naman talaga.
Wow naman.
It means, like, our love is, true and pure. So
Genuine.
Yeah, genuine yun. Genuine.
Hindi fake.
So we get hurt, di ba? And then, we have each other's back.
Yes, we always have each other's back.
Yeah. Aww. Happy birthday.
Your turn. What's your birthday present? What's your birthday? Oy, I did not say to sing.
What will I
What's
say?
your kanang message to me?
To me,
To me?
for me, hi Ria, I wish you all the best in life. I want you to be happy always and stay healthy and beautiful inside out. Tama ba ko? Tama. And you know, we love you. Be who you are. Yeah. Be unique always.
Sige.
Ang eldest ni mo?
Si Janet.
Kami doon niya.
Sige, yun na lang ka. Ikaw, your turn. Sige na, kay gwapo rin ba kay kaong?
Thank you for everything. Thank you sa friendship. Isagong sa takalayo. May one call away ra ko mo. Basta lala po Pilipinas! Thank you for everything. Love you. Tala si Carlin. Woman si Carlin.
Si Carlin, insert Carlin Manawagan kasi pinili niya yung love life niya ngayon. Pero naiintindihan naman natin, of course. Thank you. Ikaw, what's your message to me? What's your message?
Birthday, more birthdays together.
Wow. Sige.
Happy birthday, Ria.
Birthday.
We know that you have everything that you've wished for, and our prayers would be that God will continue to bless you, because you're such a blessing to not just us but to the people around you, and that He will grant you the desires of your heart. And stay sweet, and happy birthday, and we love you.
Yeah. Happy birthday, Ria. Love you. Got a big heart, and you're going to be such a. I know that you're taking care of your new family, and got still lots of plans for your life. God has purpose for you. Bless you.
Hi, honey. Another year, another dollar. Love you. Can't wait to see you next year after my birthday. Happy birthday. There you go.
It's really very beautiful here in Barceno. If you're going to celebrate your birthday or a special event, this place is very aesthetic, and the food is really good. Nagustuhan ko yung mga food nila dito. And talaga, everything, it's the whole experience-wise. Ang ganda-ganda dito. While we were waiting for our food, nag-photoshoot talaga kami dito. Ayan o. It's super nice. So if you have a party, this is a very nice place to celebrate. Nakakaganda talaga. Nakaganda. I think all places here in this restaurant is very aesthetic. You can do a lot of photo shoot here. Kaya yun ang ginawa namin kanina, nag-photoshoot kami.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this outer smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.